Looking for precision in your cooking? This 2-in-1 oil sprayer is the answer. Spray or pour oil easily with its versatile design. Perfect for all your dishes. Made from BPA-free, thick glass, and food-grade PP, ensuring safety in every use. With a 60 nose capacity, you'll refill less often, saving you time and effort. No more messy hands. The ergonomic design keeps your hands clean while spraying. Control your oil intake. Dispenses 0.01 C per spray for precision every time. Ideal for everything from grilling to salads, making meal prep a breeze. Durable, reusable, and easy to clean. This sprayer is made to last. Whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, this sprayer meets all your needs. Enjoy healthier meals with the oil sprayer that helps you use less oil. Grab yours now and elevate your cooking game to the next level. Don't miss out. Click the link and get yours today. Find the product link in the description.